will be demonstrating the safety features of this aircraft. Please give your attention to the cabin crew member in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the bucket. To tighten it, pull the loose end of the strap. In the event of a decompression, an oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above your seat.
To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask sharply towards you. Place it firmly over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic band on your head. A life vest is located under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head and pull downwards on the front panel.
To inflate the vest, pull the rib caps firmly downwards. The safety information card is located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. Thank you for your attention.